have drawn a backdrop. Giga ran from the jail. How to make it? I'll just tell you how to make it. We'll just go to the text and then you can just, okay, I'll just explain you once. Just duplicate it. And then you'll just type anything. So then you can just change the size. Just read one. Okay, as you can see, I've made. Then we'll go echo, then we'll go to the stage. Then when the green flag is clicked, look at the looks. Switch backdrop to okay, backdrop 1. Okay, then wait, okay, you can, let's say 3 seconds. Wait 3 seconds. Then switch backdrop to backdrop 1 and wait. Oh, sorry, backdrop 2. My mistake. Yes, but it is not looking so good. So we'll just add a music, boom cloud. You have to go to the sound and go to effects. You will see boom cloud. Just take it. And then play sound boom cloud. Okay, not until done. Please start sound boom cloud. Yes. Yeah, now it's looking very, very, very realistic. Thanks for watching step 3, and I'll improve it in the next video.